guys, how are you all doing? I hope you guys are all doing really well today. So today, just like you can see from the title, I've got a Primark haul for you guys. I have not done a Primark video in a really long time, but I will down below leave all the links to my previous Primark hauls if you are interested. But I've got quite a lot of goodies that I want to show you guys, and yeah, let's just jump straight into it. Okay, some of the stuff, by the way, I have worn already, so just be mindful of that. I haven't actually got a Primark bag because every time I get a Primark bag, the Primark bag breaks on me. Okay, first up is this beautiful shirt. I've actually got two sizes because I need to try these on. There's a size 18 to 20, which is my usual size that I love to go for, or there's the large, which is a 14 to 16, and they're this huge shirt. Let me just show you one so you don't get confused. This is a huge Bugs Bunny shirt. It's like a dress basically, and the only reason why I loved and I picked this out, by the way, this was £12. Reason why I picked it up is because I love the colour of this shirt. I love the kind of tie-dye situation, kind of like, it's not even tie-dye, it's kind of like a little bit ragged, a little bit like it looks like the colours come out of it. I don't know, like it's a little worn looking, but I love that style and I love the colour of this shirt. At the back you do have a big Bugs Bunny and a couple of his quotes, and yeah, this is just a beautiful long shirt dress. I do need to see if this will actually suit me because I've never worn shirt dresses before. Like, do you wear them with leggings? What do you wear them with? Can you let me know down below so I know whether I should keep this or not? But yeah, this is £12 and it is gorgeous quality. Like, the quality of this fabric is pretty good, pretty decent for Primark. Well, actually for any brand. I love the quality of this shirt. So sorry about the kids talking outside. Next up I have is this amazing find. I did see this dress. It's quite a heavy dress actually. I think I'd wear it in the autumn. It's that same blush colour as this shirt. It's one of those square neck dresses though, so I am going to have to wear something underneath. It's got puffy sleeves and it's a maxi dress, so it's got like the pleats in the middle and near the bottom, but it's this really puffy dress. It's quite huge. Yeah, I'm thinking if the weather's okay when we go to Blackpool, I'm going to wear this on, but I am going to have to wear something underneath, which I don't like. And can I tell you the best thing? It was on offer. It was £7 originally, it was 15, so I think that's a bargain, and that was the main reason why I picked it up. I'm just like, especially the prices of dresses, they're going up, so I might as well grab it now. This is the linen blend. Let me just tell you guys a bit about Primark. Primark dresses used to be around about the £13 mark. Not even that, they used to be like £9 and £12, and now they're just, yeah, the price is getting higher. Like a decent dress is about 18 quid at the moment in Primark, which is sad, but yeah. I bought a bunch of these, but a lot of them I have actually worn already. So this is just a different material. They're those bodysuits that you wear underneath, and this is such a genius idea for us, like, who are wearing shirts on and we don't want to, you know, like when you're bending over and stuff, you don't want to show anything. It's perfect for that. I remember when I saw these last year, they were about £3-4. They weren't that expensive, and I remember getting one just on a whim because it was reduced to like £2, and then yeah, these are £5 now, and this is kind of a ribbed material. You can see that it is a tiny bit see-through, but it should be fine because it's black. Can't see my hand. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, this was a £5. I got it in large and XL, and I have decided that on these bodysuits the XL suits me better. So yeah, I've got one in black, and this is ribbed, and the rest of them are like t-shirt material. So like this one is a light grey that I've got, and it's that style with long sleeves, which is perfect to wear with jeans. This was a £5 as well. I got it in 18 to 20. To me, these are like basics now. Basics that you need, basic essentials that you need for every day. Gosh, what's going on with my scarf? Next up we have some more of those shirts. So I got one in a darker grey, which looks like this, and this one is the 14 to 61. I did keep the 18 to 21, so this one is going back. Again, £5. Lovely dark greyish colour. And what other colours have I got? I've got like a pinky colour in this. I've got a nudie colour in this. I've just got so many of these now, and they're just going to be perfect just to wear on their own with jeans. Or even like underneath as well. They're going to be like essentials for autumn and winter, so pick them up if you can. I've got a feeling they're going to be on offer again in the autumn winter sale, so keep your eyes out for that. Okay, I did pick up these shirts, and can I say, somebody on Instagram that I follow that I really love, she bought shirts exactly like this, and she bought them for like £25. This shirt was £4.50 from Primark, and it's got that beautiful ribbed neck. It just looks like really good quality. It's an oversized shirt. It goes up to the waist, so it's not like oversized downwards, but they just look good with joggers on, with jeans on, with anything. I just love wearing these on their own. Yeah, £4.50. Picked up 2 in the white because white never stays white, and that's the problem with white shirts. I love them, but they never stay this beautiful white. So I picked up 2 of those. I've got black, I've got nude, I've got pink in this. These shirts are essential. Get them. They are just really good quality and just oversized and beautiful in every way. Pick them up if you can. They're so affordable as well. Okay, right, I've got some underwear. These are, I just want to tell you guys about these. I don't normally talk about underwear, but if you're a boy, please don't watch this part. So I've got these pants. They are the seam free fall briefs. I discovered these because I used to be the type of person that used to wear cotton pants all the time. Like, obviously cotton pants are the best for you, but I discovered this range because the cotton pants, like, after I discovered these, like cotton pants because they used to just get destroyed within a couple of weeks, whereas these ones are so well made and they do not hurt or anything when you wear them on, because they're seam free and they last ages. I've got a couple of pairs, like I've got like about 9 pairs of these, and I've had about 3-4 of them, and I've had them for a really long time, and they've lasted really well. So yeah, these are a £5. They're your traditional Primark brand. Well, everything's Primark brand, but you know what I mean. They're the Primark essential range, so you can find these as a lot of the actually, to be fair, it took me a long time to find these, but because they were always out of stock. But if you can find them, grab them. They're amazing. So yeah, I bought them in black, I've got them in nude, I've got them in like this beautiful nude, like a set of shades, but they're lovely and they're really good at tucking everything in. If you've got that little pouch hanging out, if you know what I mean. Okay, right, let's move on to shoes. I have this kind of really dirty pair of trainers. When I saw these, I nearly died because I knew I was going to love these. They were £16. I have really been wanting to buy some Nike Air Force Ones, but I just can't justify the price at the moment. So I picked up these because they're quite similar. I don't mind the pink, it's not that bad. But when I just looked at them and I tried them on, when I came home, obviously, I tried them on, I was just like, these are the ones. They're the ones, because they are those comfortable trainers that don't like squish your feet up, and you just know you're going to wear them so much and they're not even going to hurt your feet whatsoever. Because I bought some from ASOS a couple of months back, and those ones I've probably worn 3 times because they really hurt a lot when I wear them on because they're tight. I didn't think they were going to be that tight, but they're tight and uncomfortable. And this part at the back, I don't know why I'm having this problem lately, but the back material part, whatever's inside, it folds in and I can't get it to get straight again. Don't know what that issue is and why it has come about. Recently I've had that issue with those trainers, so they're really uncomfortable from the back when I wear them on, so I've literally only worn them 3 times. Whereas these, I've worn them so many times to so many trips. Like the last trip that I went to, I wore them there, and I can wear these for hours and my feet won't hurt. I can walk for hours and my feet won't hurt. They're amazing. If you can find them, get them. They're amazing. They're the best white trainers I've ever had and gotten. I love them. But Primark has some really good black trainers. I am allowed to wear black trainers to work so long as they're black shoes. So I picked up these pair when I went back to work after I had Jannah, and these lasted me a good 6 months, I would say. Not even, no, May, June, July. Okay, so I bought these and I wore them for about 2-3 months, and they haven't really lasted as well as I thought they would. And these were £6 because from the back they have all broken, all the material from the inside's all broken, and I can still wear them, but I feel like they're going to break on me soon. So I did buy those, but they were not my favourite. So I did find these eventually, and I don't mind if these break. These, because they were £3. So these are like those little canvas shoes, £3. So I don't think that these will do any harm, and I feel like they will last as long as the other ones, so for half the price. Okay, I have got a couple of more bits to show you guys. So socks, essential socks. Just buy socks if you need socks from Primark, because they are decent quality and are so affordable as well. So these were £1.80 for 5-pack of crew socks. I like these for winter and autumn, so they'll be good. But then I did find these socks, and these ones, I have them in the black already, and can I tell you how comfortable and gorgeous they are. These socks are the Sport Footies. They're micro fresh. They keep your feet fresher for longer. They have an antibacterial technology, comfort top, ventilation mesh, reinforced heel and toe. My favorite part is the fact that they're so soft, and they have this ventilation mesh, and they have like little tiny holes, so they keep your feet fresh and not sweaty, and they are just so soft and comfortable, and they like roll up into the tiniest little socks. So and these were £3, so these have actually become my favorite socks from Primark. So if you see them, get them. I have them in grey already and in white, so even if you're wearing like not open toe, if you're wearing what is it, ballerina shoes, you can't see the socks when you're wearing them, so they're lovely. Pick them up. I also love getting their ankle socks, so they're really good too. I just own Primark socks at the moment. What I have for the longest time now. Picked up my essentials. So this is the super soft 120 round cosmetic pads. They're 50p. Can't go wrong. I do love using these to put toner on my face before I go to bed. Yeah, and just cleaning my face, and they're really good for removing nail polish and stuff. I don't know, I just love using these for everything. I used to use them on Jenna too. They're super soft and gentle. Last two things I've got for you guys. One of them is the best discovery I have ever made in Primark. Right, I have a situation with my hair. My head tends to get really like clogged up, and just a lot of sebum production happens in my head, even though my hair is dry, and it really drives me nuts because it makes it look like I have dandruff, which it probably is dandruff. I don't know what it is, but that sebum is just, I just can't get rid of it. I've never been able to get rid of it for years. So I found out about this brush, and this brush retails normally for like really expensive. The cheapest one I've seen is about £6. So I was on the lookout for an affordable one. I even looked at AliExpress. It was expensive, and AliExpress is usually my go-to when I want to find something cheap and affordable, or eBay. Can I tell you guys how excited I was when I found this in Primark? I was so excited, and I was even more excited at the price. I even was telling the lady next to me about how good it was. You could tell she wasn't interested, but I was still telling her. So this is the head massaging brush. I love using, I bought two of these. I love using this in my hair just to give my hair a massage, my head a massage. I love that, and to just get rid of that excess sebum, and it has worked wonders. I've barely seen any dandruff in my hair. I've barely felt any like build up in my hair. I love it. And the best part was, where is it? Oh my god, where is it? Best part was, this was £1. £1 for this amazing gadget. Guys, it's the best discovery I've ever made at Primark. Go and grab one to give your hair, your head that amazing massage, and to just get rid of any build up from your head, because Lord knows how amazing this was when I used it. And it's like that siliconiness to it, silicone spikes, so they don't hurt your head. I'm so glad I discovered this, and I'm so glad, thank you Primark for having these in your store. Okay, last thing is a little wallet. This cute little, I love this colour. I'm into this colour at the moment. This and lilac-y colours. I think I'm getting old, because that's usually what older people wear. So this was £2. Look how gorgeous this wallet is. I only bought this because I want to use something for like when I go to work. I can just throw this in my work bag or rucksack, and it has compartments for your cards. It's got a little zip. I did buy one of these a while back, and the zip was a no-go, but I checked this one thoroughly, and yeah, you can put your change in there. And I love this pattern on it. It's got like this cross stitch pattern on it. It is just so cute and so compact, which I really love a lot. Hold on, one more thing. I love getting bags from Primark, especially for men. So this bag I picked up for my husband because I saw it and I love how big it is. So this bag has this kind of material on it that's actually really good. It gives it that waterproof quality and keeps all your things intact in there in this rainy weather when we're going to have it. We have had a couple of days of rain. I did get him some shorts for the first time. He didn't really like them, so sadly I'm gonna give those back. He's not the type of person that usually wears shorts, so it's understandable. But yes, so this bag, I love it. It's got a pocket and a huge pocket on the outside. We take these for trips. This bag, it's got a huge compartment on the inside, like it's huge on the inside. You have like a place you can put your laptop or wherever in there, and it's got a zipper as well. So this bag is just an all-rounded decent bag to take with you when you're traveling or when we're like going on day trips. And yeah, it's decent quality, and this was £12. So even if you're like looking for a school bag with back to school, this would be amazing. So check it out. Okay, I think that's everything I have to show you guys. I thought I had way more than that. I bought this brush quite a while back. I can't remember how much I got it for. I think it was like when it came out of Pakistan, I think it was £1.50 or £2. This brush is amazing at like combing your hair through but not ripping your hair out, and it's quite gentle, the little bristles are, so that is quite a decent brush because I've noticed I've not had as much hair pulling when I'm brushing my hair as when I use like a full paddle brush. So this is a really good brush. Yeah, I'm just checking in the room if there's anything else I have that I bought from Primark. I have got a bunch of makeup, but I'm going to be doing that in a separate video because that's just going to be too long. So I think that wraps it up. I think that's everything that I bought from Primark. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And check out all my other videos. I will have playlists down below, or like I will have whole playlists of Primark videos and any other videos you might be interested in. Click on them please and show your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!